Yo, it's hitting all the good points in this, bro.
Riding in the motherfucking road. Fuck.
Alright, man. What's up? I'm back. So, we're gonna watch if Spider-Man had not a PS4, right? You don't know about this game. Well, you know about it, but you know you can't play it. Basically, this is Spider-Man PS4 had an anime opening. If you're looking at this, while I'm wearing this and this, I was trying to go for the whole Timmy Turner look, but it wasn't working out. Don't just leave me alone. Now. I can tell how it's gonna be, but we're gonna see how it is. Set, go. First off, I don't know who music this is, but it's already going good. It's already going good right now. Yo, it's hitting all the good points in this, bro. It's hitting all the good points. Him know when Miles died, his Peter suit, Doctor. Character name, introduce all the characters. Yo. That's pretty much it for the video. I mean, it was just a little small video to come back. That's what it was. I'll see you later.
So I passed up, I'm in my space. I don't even wanna stay here. I got music going play here. I got bitches wanna lay here. I passed up, I'm in my space.